Please stand behind the lines. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Autonomous 237 and 177 for Red Alliance scoring. We have the same thing by 1999 and 2067. And is it docked? 177, maybe yes, maybe no. 2067 is docked and engaged for Autonomous. It is 16-15 in favor, 27-16. So that's probably that docking by 2067. 177, driving like they stole it, putting a cone in the upper part of their grid. It's worth just a little bit more being in the upper part of the grid, but a link can be formed anywhere. But if you're going to go to the trouble of scoring, why not get more points? Well, it's a little bit tricky to score that high. As you can see, you got to reach out. They've got a wonderful telescoping arm. And so far in this match, it's doing pretty well for them. 2067 Apple Pie moving to the middle of the field. They've got a turret that rotates so they can adjust nice and finely. But is it a quick score? I don't know. Bobcats reaching up, trying to get a link going. See what happens with that. We have one link for the Red Alliance. 2 now. There are 3 cubes down in the hybrid row. 2067 drops the cone, but it ends up scoring in the hybrid zone there. Meanwhile, Bobcats are working the top level of that grid. They are swerving back and forth, strafing, and gets another one on there. Let's see how many they can get here. They might be trying to go for a high score. There's cubes littering their pickup area there. And they're using their floor pickup. They grab it, they tuck it inside. There's 1991 for the Blue Alliance, carefully reaching out. And they do want to be careful there because they're playing with fire, being near the red community on the opposite side of the field. And a cube gets dropped. Links are being made. 3 links for the Red Alliance. I don't think they'll get the sustainability bonus. That requires 5 links. Or 4 if you get the cooperation bonus. But now 1991 is trying to negotiate the ramp on the Blue Alliance with 12 seconds left. 177 is dropping another one, and that's why they call it tippy, prone to tipping. And they are grinding their wheels on that, trying to get that final balance with just 2 seconds left. Red pulls it off, and 1991 slides off theirs. And we'll see how that scores final at the end by the referees. Will they get 2 ranking points? Likely. Will they get the 3rd one for the charge station bonus? Not sure. And here's the final score. It was won by the Red Alliance. And they did not get that extra ranking point. Came close at the end, but it did not quite happen. Possibly if they had both balanced on there, that would have been a thing for them. However,